Yeah, ooh, ciao. Hey everyone, it's Astrema Simone here. If you're new, how you doing? And today I'm going to be sharing with you getting a flat stomach pretty fast using Vaporub. I'm actually not a stranger to using this method. I just haven't used it in a few years now. And I just want to see if it still works. You know, I'm in a time crunch and I'm needing my stomach to be a lot flatter than it is now. I was editing a try-on haul the other day and I'm just looking at myself like, why is my stomach so big? I've really fell off and my stomach has just gotten so much bigger. I'm just trying to get back on track. So this is just one of the things that I'm hoping to make myself feel better and look better over time. Obviously, this is not going to work for every single person and it's not like something that's going to be permanent. So I just want you to keep that in mind. So if you want to see how I get my stomach on flat, or we're going to see if it still works, I should say, but I have faith in it. Subscribe, thumbs up the video, and keep on watching. So I ran out to the store and I got a Vaporub, the regular Vicks Vaporub. This never let me down, so I just always got the regular like name brand one. So that's what I'm going to be using. Some plastic wrap, of course. That doesn't really matter as far as the brand. I just try to make sure it's BPA free, as you can see here, because we're putting it on our body. And this is just one from Aldi's, the Aldi's brand right here. But you could use Glad, you could use any one that you want. Glove, and of course some type of belly band or something to kind of like just hold your stomach or in place and your plastic wrap in place. I usually use it from in the past overnight while I'm sleeping because I'm still. If you're not gonna be moving around a lot, it's recommended to use it for things that you're not gonna move around. So I actually work from home, so I'm gonna be sitting still around the desk for about 8 hours. So I recommend to do it at least 8 hours to really see, you know, results. I wouldn't recommend going over 8 hours and like nothing less than 4 hours because it's not gonna really work. But like I said, that's just what I'm doing. I'm going to put it on now. So let's see. I am nervous because it gets a little tingly from what I can remember and I'm gonna have to sit through it at work. It's time for the good stuff. Let me show you my before and I will link everything down below, everything that I'm using. I mean, I'm sure you probably have it laying around your house. Don't judge me, okay? Judgment-free zone here, okay? I know you clicked on this video because you're trying to get a flat tummy too, so don't judge me. And I had a child and all of that and I got lazy. This is my tummy. I don't know where these rolls came back, but I got a lot of work to do and I know this Vaporub is not gonna fix everything. I wouldn't suggest to put on your best clothes to do this because it's gonna get stinky. So that's why I have this on. So I'm gonna put on my glove, handy dandy glove. And I'm going to put on my Vaporub. And I'm just gonna go for it. Really get up in this bottom part, really focusing on my little flabs, my fupa. And I always get like this diaphragm fat right up here every time I gain weight and I hate that so much for me. Put a little in the back on some of them rolls, dinner rolls. I'm trying to get over this sore throat, y'all, so I sound crazy. My tummy is so big, so freaking big. My stomach is pretty much lathered in this stuff, paying attention to my problem area. And now for the fun part, the wrap. This better have me snitched. So I would definitely use like plastic wrap that's separate from like the one you use in the kitchen for food. I got one especially for this. Just in case Vaporub gets on it, you don't want to eat Vaporub. So I'm just gonna put it on my stomach, pull down my pants so that it doesn't get caught in there and it'll be easy to use the bathroom. Okay, so I wrapped it around enough to where I felt secure. This was probably about 10 times if you were counting. I don't know, I sped it up. So this is how it looks. And I put a lot because it's gonna start to roll up if you move around too much. That's why I say it's best for not moving around. This is my DIY Vaporub wrap. That's gonna make my stomach go down because I already look snatched. Just playing. What it's supposed to do is help draw out any water weight. I feel like the cooling agent in the Vaporub is what also kind of helps your belly fat to kind of go away over time. I feel like after using it last time, I've seen like my stomach get even flatter the second day. Listen, I ain't no scientist or anything like that. I ain't no professional. Do your own research if you may, okay? I'm just showing you what I like to do or I want to do or what I'm trying to do, okay? But I do recommend subscribing to my channel because I'm going to be going on a new health and fitness journey. Not just focusing on weight loss, okay? But right now I'm just focusing on problem area. Talking too much. But anyways, yeah. So I just had to get that off my chest. So this is how it's gonna look. Just like that. And then we're gonna put on a band to just help it stay in place. So I'm just choosing to put this one on because it'll give me support and it's easy to just take off like this with the zipper in the front. So I'll link this exact one down below. And this is a large for me because I don't want it to be too fitting. It's just to help it stay in place by a tiny bit of compression, tiny bit. Or you could just wear a regular belly band, not a waist trainer though, because you ain't gonna be able to breathe. All right, you guys, so it's time to put this on. Mine has like an inner corset part, but I'm not gonna use that. Look in the mirror real quick to see how it, this is how I look. This particular one just kind of lifts my chest. So don't pay that no mind. So yeah, this is how it looks. Holding me in, but it's not restricting me. I feel comfortable. I feel like I could sit down. So we put this on here. Leave this on for my whole 8-hour shift. And you couldn't even tell it's there. Yeah, I'm sweating because that was a lot. And I will be back in 8 hours to show you what it does, my results. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And if you're liking the video, please thumbs it up and subscribe for more. All right, you guys. So it is about, let me see, 3 hours. 11, 12, yeah, exactly 3 hours since I've had this on here. When I first put it on, feeling like it was burning, I'll be honest with y'all. I'm working, as you can see. After like that first hour, it feels I'm more comfortable. The tingling sensation kind of surpassed, and once I got past that, I felt really good. As I'm sitting here, like I get up and I drink some water because I do recommend to stay hydrated because you are losing like water weight and you can become dehydrated. So I do have this water bottle. It is 128 ounces and I got this from Amazon. I'll link it below if you're interested. I think they have one other color, and it is a affirmation bottle. So it says, good morning, have a nice day, remember your goal, and this has the hour on it. You can see I'm right between 11 and 1 because it is 12:30 now in the afternoon and I'm almost at the 1. So I keep taking my breaks to drink it, and it goes all the way up to 9 p.m. I will be done like around 5:30 with my full 8 hours. And then yeah, I just wanted to check in really quickly, tell y'all how I'm feeling. So far I feel good. I just said like that first hour it was just really tingly and unbearable for the most part. You know, try to stay still. But so I'll check back in with you guys when it's time to remove it, and I can't wait. It is time to take it off. And when I say I'm so excited to be taking this off right now, I'm excited to see my results, but I'm more excited to be taking it off because it's getting on my damn nerves, okay? And are you excited? And you can't eat. I think I forgot to say that. I personally, having this on, I don't even want to really eat that much. Things that's not gonna make you feel heavy. Yeah, ooh, child. Okay. Oh, I gotta take off my shirt, I forgot. All right, see how it shifts a little bit? If I didn't have on this band, it probably would have shifted way too much. Oh, let me go get a scissor because I'm not gonna be unraveling it like I'm crazy. It's kind of thick, so I'm gonna just puncture it so I don't cut myself. Ooh, I could feel the wetness. All right, guys, you could already see it. The wetness. Probably can't really see it. It's wet. And I feel smaller. I'll show you my stomach. It's like a difference from when I first came on here. How it looks from the side most definitely went down some. So I probably may do it again. Give myself a rest one more time. I definitely will keep doing this alongside other things. Stay tuned for my health and fitness journey. So if you enjoyed this video and you're gonna try out the Vaporub, or if you haven't tried it in a while and you want to try it out again, you can see it helped my stomach go down like at least 2 inches. It went down, and I just feel lighter than when I came on. Results would look different depending on where you're starting from. Feel the difference and see the difference, but it may not looking like mine, even though mine is not nothing to brag about right now, okay? But it will be soon. So thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, subscribe, and I appreciate you so very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.